I think the gospel, the readings, brings us to the importance and significance ng liwanag. Sa first reading, Prophet Isaiah, the prophet of Advent, already says, on that day when the Messiah would come, when the promise of God for salvation will be fulfilled, when God Himself will intervene and for the salvation of the world, that special time in history, on that day, the prophet Isaiah says, then out of gloom and darkness, the eyes of the blind shall see. And that is fulfilled in the gospel with Jesus giving two blind men their sight. Alam natin na ang buhay ng isang bulag sa kadiliman ngayon ay makakakita ng liwanag. So, that is a big miracle in the gospel, something that we hope and pray for all those who are PWDs among us, yung people with disabilities. No? Let us not take that for granted, especially this Christmas. Kaya lang nga, ang pagkabulag, hindi lang sa mata. Kasi minsan, like in today's gospel, buti pa yung bulag. Nakita nila ang katotohanan. Ano yung katotohanan? Tungkol kay Jesus, yung pangbulag ang nakaunawa that Jesus, as they shouted, Jesus, Son of David, have pity on us, Son of David. Pero yung bulag, mas nakita nila yung tunay na liwanag that Jesus is the light. May this Advent and Christmas help us also to reflect and to see Jesus as that light in our life. Amen.